My name's Sue Rhodes and I'm a great fan of Thermofax screen printing, which is a technique you may not have heard of. Now, I've done lots of proper screen printing and it's rather a difficult technique to get hold of because the equipment is expensive and it can be difficult to move the screens around because they tend to be rather heavy and bulky. However, a new invention, not sure how long ago it came, are Thermofax screen prints. Now this is a Thermofax screen print. So you can match it to your home decorations and it's very flexible. I've had a great deal of fun with classes over the years doing this. It's a lovely, lovely technique to do. You can also make, a friend of mine has made these lovely Christmas cards using screen printed fabric. She's also just put the Christmas card underneath and screen printed straight onto the card.